able to produce the statements of the Hawala dealers, how the cash was moved from Delhi to Goa and used for the political campaigns. That was the major argument that also was provided by the Enforcement Directorate during April 3rd hearing. It was also stated by the Enforcement Directorate that they are ready to produce the WhatsApp chats, the statements by the Hawala dealers, and also the ITR returns as well, to which it was granted in that they documents to the Delhi High Court. After reading out all of those, the Delhi High Court has come to a conclusion that they will not entertain this plea of Arvind Kejriwal, and it has been dismissed. Now, Arvind Kejriwal's counsel is moving to court, challenging this petition, challenging this order of the Delhi High Court. So certainly the doors will be knocked to get some sort of relief of to Arvind Kejriwal. But as of now, Arvind Kejriwal will remain in the custody, in the judicial custody in Tihar prison as of now. And also very important remarks made by the Delhi High Court that the rules are rules for the commoner or for a public figure, for a sitting chief minister, because there were enough evidences in this particular case. Arvind Kejriwal being the national convener of the political party, that doesn't mean that he would get some relief. Rather, he knew about each and every findings, each and every transactions, and also remember, Enforcement Directorate stated that it would be Enforcement Directorate treating Aam Aadmi Party as a company. We'll move forward from here on in a short while, because I think SV Raju is just walking outside the Delhi High Court. We'll try to get a word along with him as well as to what Enforcement Directorate now feels when it was mentioned by the counsels of Arvind Kejriwal that they will be moving to Supreme Court, and how big is this for the Enforcement Directorate. We'll just go across to the Delhi High Court and we'll have a word. Yes.
Right, Aishwarya, we'll of course give you some time to go and speak to the legal teams who are coming out of the High Court. But for the benefit of our viewers, the big breaking update coming in from the Delhi High Court is that the High Court has in fact dismissed Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's plea. The petition was against the arrest by Enforcement Directorate, arrest in the Delhi liquor policy case. The High Court has in fact very significantly mentioned that the court holds that at this point in time that the Enforcement Directorate was able to place enough material to convince them. Let's listen into some reaction.